Time to talk some dermatology now. You know, dermatologists aren't just for adults. The whole family needs someone that they can trust. So here to explain is Dr. Elizabeth Tracey from Apex Skin. How are you? Good to have you with us this morning.
Hi, thank you so much for having me on.
Hey, you know, this is a topic, we're bringing this up. It's not just about adults. The whole family could potentially benefit from going to a dermatologist. I want to start with the little ones. What are some of the common skin conditions that you find with some of your younger patients?
Yeah, so I love talking about dermatology for the whole family. There's common skin conditions we see in all age groups. For babies, it's really eczema. I mean, that is so common, and most pediatricians can help you manage it, but anything stubborn, a dermatologist can really help you get it under control. Um, and then, more school age kids, we see warts, we see eczema continuing into that age group. And, eczema is not just dry skin. It is a real medical condition that can affect kids, their school, their sleep. So seeing a dermatologist for eczema, that is something I recommend for any kids that are dealing with that.
So why would you maybe even suggest, maybe sometimes would think, oh, people would think I should go to a generalist for my child instead of a dermatologist. Why would a dermatologist maybe be better?
Yeah, so pediatricians are great, generalists are great, but when you have a real skin condition, I think that getting the right diagnosis and the right treatment right away is the best for kids to just get back to their normal life, get back to being kids, not wasting any time, just getting the right diagnosis right away.
I feel like one of those stubborn ages where, I remember starting to see things happen was as a teenager. What are some of those common skin irritations or skin treatments that you see for those teens? Because that's a tough age.
Yes, absolutely. And really, it's all about acne with the teenagers. When I was a teenager, I didn't know that acne was a medical condition that you could see a doctor for. I just buy whatever it was over the counter that my friends were using, and we just kind of suffered with it. But you don't have to. Kids can come to the dermatologist, get the right treatments for them, a customized acne treatment for the active acne, for the scars after acne, and be able to put their best face forward at a time that's, really tough for a lot of kids.
And again, we're talking about the whole family here. I know one of the things you wanted to discuss was women and women with once you get to a certain age, it seems like depending on where I am in my life, I'm like, wow, this is new. I've never experienced this before. Things develop over time. So what are you seeing with women most commonly?
Yes, it's a really good question. I think with a lot of women, starting to see the first wrinkles, sunspots, just discolorations, um, and little rashes here and there, things that they think they just need to deal with at home. These are things that a dermatologist can really help with, and it's really a very fulfilling part of my job to be able to not only treat medical conditions but also help women obtain the skin that makes them feel most like themselves and be able to put their best face forward and really feel confident in their skin.
Well, speaking of, can we go through maybe quickly some of the treatments that you do offer that can really help the ladies?
Yeah, absolutely. So we really run the whole spectrum from just talking about basic skincare. What are the best products for you and for your skin type? We do Botox, microneedling, we do laser treatments, even cool sculpting, which is a body contouring product. And really, what I like to do is work with women on what are your goals, what is your budget, and what can we do to make you feel the best in your skin.
Well, and some of the things that can be covered medically, I know too. Now's the time of year. If you've already met that deductible, it's like go in now. It's perfect right before the holidays too. This is good timing.
Absolutely. Any cysts, lipomas, those kinds of things, if they're painful, growing, we do little surgeries right here in the office to remove those. Those can be covered by insurance, acne surgery, you name it.
Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning. The flowers over your shoulder are beautiful as well. I just might not, they're gorgeous. It's a stunning backdrop.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you again. And Apex has, remind me of how many, is it 9 locations all over Northeast Ohio now?
We actually have 10 locations.
Now you have 10.
And all of our location information is at apexskin.com. And to schedule an appointment with us, you can get same day, same week appointments, 833 Apex Skin. And we're happy to see you and your whole family.
Well, Dr. Tracey, thank you so much for being with us this morning. We really appreciate it. You have a wonderful holiday.
Thank you so much for having me. Happy holidays.
Thank you so much. All right, more New Day Cleveland after this.